So today it's about 20 degrees out here. There's a real nice bright sunlight coming down that should give us some nice shots. So we're just gonna drive the 3 of these and see what we can come up with. I wanted to show you guys this. This is an Animus with a mini Mad Beast body, and I've never shown it going full speed with its brushless motor. So I think we're gonna do that first, then move on to the gas powered stuff and just try and get some real nice shots of jumps and so forth. So there's the Animus with the body removed. See, we've got a little 2S LiPo. That's the Ghoul RC brushless motor and ESC. I mean, those things are like, can't be more than $30 for the combo. You can see I've got a little mini servo down in there. There it is. It's actually shoe-gooed in there. Thing holds firm though. So Fly Sky receiver and radio. That's my multi-model radio that I use for a lot of RCs. Stock wheels. We've got those aluminum bumpers because they hold the A-arms on, so those are kind of important. The plastic ones tend to pop off. As you can see, it's pretty quick. Here's the Madcode with its new body. If you saw the last video, you saw this thing took a severe beating. Car was pretty much okay, but the body destroyed. We're gonna try not to do that again today, but yeah, this is a fun truck for sure. It's nice and big. It's a larger 1/8 scale.
Took forever to start being this cold, but we got it.